Western Tile and Marble in Redmond, Seattle, Washington, and we've just completed an installation of two separate TURRINI water recycling systems, a DEP 800 and a DEP 600. We've replaced a press system that was in here before, which the company has outgrown. They've had multiple new machines, and the press system was becoming high maintenance and not giving them enough on-demand water during the day. So we've replaced it with two separate systems. Why two separate systems? Because they already have two circuits within the building. One that originally supplied the grey water, one that supplied clear water. We've used those two existing circuits to put separate machines in. The cost differential is about the same as buying a single dual silo machine with the capability of 400 gallons per minute, but this also gives them equal redundancy. If they have a power surge in the area and for some reason one system is completely wiped out, they can switch the other machines over to one of the other silos and continue operation, so they should never be down. As normal, fully automatic, fully on-demand systems, self-cleaning, empty the bags when they're full, keep an eye on the chemicals, machine maintains pressure around the factory, so there's nothing need to be amended or changed during the day. 10 minutes maintenance a week, fully automatic on-demand system. So Western Tile and Marble in Washington State. Thank you, Ronnie, for your patience. I know it's been a challenge with losing one of the machines in Mexico somewhere and the worldwide shipping problem. It's been much longer than it needs to be. You have an absolutely fantastic team here. All the guys have been super helpful. We got the installation done, old system out, new system in, total time of about 8 hours. We were up and running by last night, and we only started at 1 p.m. yesterday. So thank you again, Ronnie, for your patience. You have a great business, you have great equipment, great staff, and thank you for trusting TURRINI USA. We're looking after you. We've also had on here, on our installation here, new guy who's just joined Stone Industry Group, Jamie White. I'm gonna say hi, Jamie.
Hi guys.
So Jamie is now looking after TURRINI and other Stone Industry Group products across the west coast of North America and elsewhere. Jamie's fully trained in installation and the technical support side of the business. So you have another contact now within the industry, as well as me, Jerry, Doug. We've got a continually growing team, and it's thanks to our customers like Ronnie and Western Tile for supporting us. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.